interest. A couple of things that I think are important to appreciate about rapamycin. First of all, it's not a miracle drug. So we're not talking about, increasing the lifespan of an animal by tenfold. The biggest effect that's been seen in laboratory animals with rapamycin, or at least mice, mammals with rapamycin, is about a 25% increase in lifespan. That's still, believe it or not, the most effective longevity drug that we know about, at least if you look at absolute effects on lifespan. And I think importantly, we know now that you can actually start the treatment with rapamycin in middle age, so about the mouse equivalent of a 60-year-old person biologically. And importantly, even transient treatments with rapamycin are enough to robustly increase lifespan and delay, or even in some case reverse, functional declines that go along with aging. So if you look in pretty much every tissue and organ where this has been studied, you can find evidence in a mammal, in a mouse or a rat, that rapamycin is at least delaying the declines that go along with aging. And in several cases now, you can actually find evidence for functional reversion upon treatment with rapamycin. So specifically in the heart, Peter Rabinovich's lab and a couple of others now have also shown that you can reverse age-related heart decline in a mouse in about 10 weeks. In the ovary, you can reverse age-related senescence of the ovary. And as I talked about in my interview with Jonathan Ahn, in the oral cavity in my lab, we showed that you can reverse periodontal disease in 8 weeks from rapamycin treatment. And then I think in one of the most interesting studies of rapamycin in the preclinical literature, in fact, we'll do a deeper dive maybe into this study in a future episode, Pan Zheng's lab at Michigan, way back in 2009, showed that you could actually reverse immune decline with age in only 6 weeks of treatment with rapamycin. And so again, across many different organs and tissues, we're seeing that rapamycin really seems to broadly delay and in some cases even reverse aspects of age.